What makes Hometown Contractors different from other installers? If you've met Paul or Jamie, you will realize that from the ownership, top down, all the way to the installation, there's a culture in that business to do it right. We believe in our culture that we do the best we can. And in dealing with the hometown people, we have noticed there's a level of professionalism that doesn't exist in a lot of our industry. And it starts with a sale, it goes all the way through with the installation and us delivering the product to them, and they go to the job site, install it into your home, and then if there's a problem, they take care of it. And it seems like basic things, but it's extremely important to notice that that's a differentiator in today's world. And there's not many people like them. We appreciate doing business with them, and I would say, it's definitely a company that's worth doing business with. Hi, my name is David Barnes. I'm the president and CEO of Viwinco. We make windows and doors here in Morgantown, Pennsylvania. We've been in business since 1982, and we have approximately 370 employees. We manufacture replacement, new construction, and impact-resistant windows. You're dealing with a first-class organization in Hometown. They will install and support the product the way it's supposed to be, the way it's been designed, and the way it was certified. They have trained installers that'll put it in properly. They also have a company that will stand behind it if there's a problem.
Everything they said they were going to do, they did.
Well, first of all, we interviewed 4 different companies, and Arrington was right here. He was on time. He had every sample you could ever want. Plus, he had so many different personal touches that he was telling us about. And he was an installer first, and then went into sales. So he knows everything about the windows, the installation process.
They've looked at our product and believe that it's as great a product as we believe it is, and we designed it to be a great product. I think they have done their homework to see if we're the type of company who does business the way they would like to do business, standing behind the product and level of service and how situations arise, how they're dealt with. I believe that they've done as much research on us as we've done on them. And, we want to deal with companies that do it properly and have that level of expertise in their organization as well. The benefits of a homeowner buying a window from Hometown Contractors that's made by Viwinco would give you the ability to have a product that has had the laminated glass, the tempered glass made in-house, manufactured into a custom-made product that was measured to size and ordered by Hometown and built by us for Hometown and for your home. So it's a custom-made product designed specifically for your opening and the style for your type of shelter. We have studied and built windows for so long requiring structure and impact resistance that we have our own test wall so that we know the science of the abuse that these windows will take during a major weather event, and that they will stay intact and keep the building envelope intact during a hurricane that will protect your home. So the benefit of dealing with both of us is you have people that have been installing these types of products for a long time, and they've chosen our product based on its design and the ability to manufacture it in a quality situation that will give them a product that they can be proud of to put into your home.